Hello guys, today we are studying about the piping system. In engineering, the piping repertoire system of pipe, fittings, valves, and related equipment used in transport of fluids such as liquid. The liquid may be petrol, diesel, it may be kerosene oil, and for the transport of gases such as CH4, etc. etc. And it may be steams such as in steam engine the vapor is transported through the piping system, and it may be the chemicals and slurries from one of the place to the another. Piping systems are widely used in industries like oil and gas. It may be used in power plant system. It may be used in chemical plants. It may be used in water treatment, and it may be used in HVAC and manufacturing.